Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. On this channel, I share simple tech tutorials for beginners using Android phone. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a tutorial on how to add cards to your YouTube videos. YouTube cards are very important when it comes to growing your channel on YouTube. It helps you suggest similar videos while watching your videos. So it helps increase views and eventually grows your channel. Okay. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, continue watching. So to add YouTube cards to your videos on Android phone, the first thing you're going to do is to go to Google Chrome browser app on your phone. You tap on it. Then you go to the address bar and type www.youtube, okay, .com. You tap on it. Then you go to these three dotted lines. You tap, go down to desktop site. You tap on this box here. Then it takes you to your YouTube channel on desktop site on your Android phone, okay? So the next thing you're going to do is to tap on your profile picture. Let's zoom that. You tap on your profile picture. So once you tap on your profile picture, you go to YouTube Studio, you tap. So it takes you to this page. Then the next thing you're going to do is to head over to this icon here, this play icon here. You tap on it. Then it takes you to all the videos you've made, okay? So on this channel, I've made total of 3 videos, okay? Depending on the video you want to add cards. Take for instance, if I want to add YouTube card to this particular video, what I'm going to do, or what you should do, is to tap on the title of the video. Once you tap on the title, you go to the pencil icon, you tap on it, then you zoom back. Then here you see cards, okay? So this is where we are going to tap. Then here on the cards, you type on this pencil icon beside the card. You tap on this pencil icon. Okay, so once you type on the pencil icon, this is the video we want to add the YouTube cards to, okay? So you go here, you're going to see video, playlist, channel. So depending on the one you want to add to your video, if you want to add a video card or a playlist card or a channel card, what you're going to do is, take for instance, I want to add a video card. What I'm going to do is to tap on this plus sign here. Then I choose the video card I want to add. I want to add this. So you just choose any video you want to add. So it should be a related video, okay? So I want to choose this. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to tap on it, okay? So once I tap on it, this is the card sign and this is the card here, okay? Suggested video you want your viewers to watch. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let me zoom it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how the YouTube cards look like. So when your video is playing, depending on where you set it, okay, it pops up. And like I said, this is the sign. So it's at the beginning of the video. So I don't want to add it at the beginning of the video. I'm going to change the timer. Take for instance, if I want it to play at this 3-minute mark, okay, what I'm going to do is to change the timer here, to change the time here. So I'm going to type in 3 minutes because I want it to play at the 3-minute mark. So if you want it to play at any mark in your video, okay, what you're going to do is to change it at the timer here. So once you type anytime you want it to play on your video, if you want it to play at any time in your video, so you have to have a time, okay, at which you want your card to play. So once you have the time in mind, you type it in here. Okay, so let's do that. For instance, I want it to play at this 3-minute mark. What I'm going to do is to tap on this to edit it. I'm going to tap on this to edit. Okay, so once I tap on this, I'll go directly here. Then I type 3. Okay, so this is the mark I want my card to play. Okay, at 3 minutes mark. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the card mark is at the 3 minutes point. Hope you guys are seeing this. So this is the sign of the card. So it's exactly at 3 minutes because that was what I did here. Okay, so once it's 3 minutes, the card plays. So what I'm going to do is let me play it so you guys can see what I mean. So I'm going to click here to play. So we want to add an icon or a profile picture here. So what you're going to do is to tap on this avatar here. So once it reaches this mark, the card pops up here. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm showing you guys. So once the card reaches here, or the point or the mark at which you placed it, okay, it pops up at the point you positioned the mark. So that is basically it. That is how you can add YouTube cards on your YouTube videos using your Android phone. If your video is like, say, 10 minutes, you can add up to 2 cards, okay, or thereabout. But if it's short, 1 card is definitely okay. So after adding your card, the next thing you're going to do is to save your card by going to save. You tap on save to save the card. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.